When I think of there's nothing we can't do, I think of the American Revolution. The British outnumbered us. They were the best military in the world. We knew they were larger and stronger. But the advantage we had was we knew the terrain. We knew the ground. And the leadership of the country had empowered the colonists, empowered the militias to where they could build this interwoven network, to network and learn each other and be a team and be a strength and use the tenacity of the American dream for the battle. So as I think about the American Revolution, it's that tenacity that has led us to our entrepreneurship, our heart of being a winner, and a heart of being number one. And that's why I say there's nothing you can't do.